Welcome back. Parents, time to check your child's medicine cabinet this morning because the Consumer Product Safety Commission says Amazon sold thousands of these bottles of Benadryl. The problem is they came without child-proof caps. You're supposed to look for 100-milliliter bottles. The code is X003VRIGUL, sold between July 2023 and October of last year. If you have any of these, toss them out and email proof to the manufacturer for a refund. Patients with lung nodules often have to undergo several procedures, including biopsy and multiple surgeries. But a Boston hospital is offering a new approach that allows patients to get diagnosed and treated in one trip to the OR. Dr. Malika Marshall has more.
For philosophy graduate school, but
Former Boston College professor David McMenamin began smoking at a time when many young men did.
I started on Saturday nights in high school, and then in college I became a regular smoker, and smoking ever since.
The habit finally caught up with the 72-year-old when his doctor told him they found a tiny spot on his lung during a screening CAT scan.
And I said to her, I'm focused on the word tiny, and she said, I'm focused on the word spot.
Lung cancer kills more people in this country than any other cancer, but if it's caught in the very early stages, it can be cured. David's lung cancer was so small that removing it with traditional surgery would be challenging, but BIDMC in Boston offered him a new option. Guiding a robot with remote controls, a lung specialist inserts a scope through the patient's mouth down into the affected lung and injects dye into the tumor, making it more visible for the surgeon, who then uses another remote-controlled robot to cut the tumor out with remarkable precision, offering patients a biopsy, diagnosis, removal, and treatment of a lung nodule in only one trip to the OR.
That helps preserve patients' quality of life and breathing function, and also gives us the same cancer outcomes.
Especially for these early stage cancers, the goal of surgery is a cure.
I said to Dr. Wilson, does this mean I'm like a cancer survivor? And she said, yes, a title you should wear proudly. And I said, I'm not so sure, because all the people I think of as survivors suffered, and I didn't have any suffering.
And that's the ultimate goal.
Impressive for sure, and BIDMC is one of the first hospitals in the country to offer this dual procedure. David was one of their first patients. They are hoping to see more of that.